Hello again, guys. For my subscribers and new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. In this tip and tricks, I will show you how to create a text increment easier than Microstation, but of course there's always an ups and downs, pros and cons on each and every software that we are using. I will show you, because I'm mostly on the electrical side, instrumentation. I always create a junction box, an interconnection diagram, which I usually put like numbers, terminal strips. So I'm showing you how to create a terminal strip, and this may apply as well on when you're creating a key plan, putting those coordinates. So yeah, this text I always put 2.5 minimum on up to this size paper, or A1 594 by 841, and this size 22 by 34. Now I will array this box that I created, which is sized 8 by 20. After arraying, usually AutoCAD you need to explode it, but in ProgeCAD you don't have to, because it's already exploded. Now I'll type the T count and then select the text. Since it's Y coordinate and then decreasing, I'll start at the 1:1 increment, start on 1 and then 1 on increment, so it shows us 1 to 20 numbers automatically. Yeah. What if you need something like that, a 2-digit what you call that, number 10 interval, and a 2-digit additional on your text. So let's delete this text and create this one as 0.00. So at first you know what your requirements are, right? So now, since I put the 00 and then array command again on the 20, and then now I'm doing another T count, same command as the first one, select all the text and then T count command, and y-axis, let's put it as the enter, and then y-axis, and then let's start on 10 and then increment of 10. So this will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then that 00. But if you notice, there's a space between the whole number up to the point 00. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the find and replace text, with the space that 00 replacing by no space that 00, and then replace all. As you can see, every space is gone. So but I use the prefix one. So yeah, this is how it works, and I hope I give you some tips and tricks on this side. Okay, new subscribers, please don't leave a comment, and don't forget to like and share. And subscribers, thank you for watching. Thanks and see you.